Pinterest is a social media channel that allows users to save images. It is a game changer for entrepreneurs, bloggers, and even large corporations. It's mind-blowing how many businesses and bloggers are having massive success with Pinterest. In today's video, we'll show you 7 best Pinterest tools that marketers should use. Links to the software mentioned can be found in the description. Number 1 on the list is Tailwind. It is a post-scheduling tool that helps you strategically schedule posts and discover new content. It can help you get real results in less time. Using Tailwind, you can upload images quickly, schedule your pins at the optimal time, measure and analyze how your pins are performing. If you aren't using it yet, I recommend that you get a free trial and try it out on your Pinterest account. You can see the plans starting at $0. Number 2 is Social Pilot. Social Pilot is another useful Pinterest scheduling and automation tool. It can help you drive more traffic, increase engagement, scheduling pins, and check engagement. This tool can put watermark pins with your brand's logo and has URL shortening feature. Their plans start at $25 a month. You can also try a 14-day free trial on each of the 4 plans. Number 3 is Pin Groupie. This Pinterest tool helps you find relevant Pinterest boards with ease. It provides a variety of filters to help users find the exact types of boards that they are looking for. This tool can be integrated with broader, multifunctional Pinterest tools like Tailwind. Number 4 is Crello. This tool helps you create good quality, visual content for Pinterest. It provides numerous design elements that you can use to create visually appealing pins that grab your audience's attention. You can start for free, and if you need some additional features, you can upgrade the plan. Number 5 is VerlTag. VerlTag has a wide collection of useful Pinterest tools. It can be used for pin scheduling to multiple boards and Pinterest accounts. Using this tool's bulk upload feature, you can upload multiple pins at once. Their browser extension enables you to pin directly from any website. It also has a built-in photo editor that allows you to create good quality images that can be posted to Pinterest. Number 6 is Buffer. Buffer allows schedule creation on a day-to-day or weekly basis. To keep posting in the schedule, you can create a queue of images and add them in a specific order. Buffer will keep posting them as per the dates one by one. You can keep adding more to the queue as needed. Once you add an image, Buffer will pin it automatically onto your account. Buffer is available as a browser extension, which makes it very easy to use and open up. And it does have a free plan that allows you to manage up to 3 channels. With the $5 per month plan, you can get unlimited channels. Thanks for watching. If this video is useful, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell so you don't miss out the latest videos. Here on GuideRev,